I used only free AI tools and made my first $1,000 online. No ads, no paid software, no fancy setup. Just pure strategy, consistency, and tools anyone can access right now. And before you think this is another get-rich-quick story, it's not. I'm going to show you exactly what I did, step by step, so you understand how real people are quietly using free AI tools to build real income in 2026. When I started, I had zero budget. No audience, no followers. Just one question in my mind. Can AI actually help an ordinary person make real money online? So I gave myself a simple challenge: use only free AI tools and try to reach $1,000. Not someday, not in theory, in real conditions. The first thing I did was research demand. I used free AI tools and online trend suggestions to find what people were actively searching for. One pattern stood out everywhere. People and small businesses constantly need fast content, ideas, and digital assets. That became my focus. Instead of trying random things, I picked one skill: AI-assisted digital content creation. I used free AI tools to generate video ideas, scripts, captions, blog topics, and product concepts. In minutes, I could generate what normally takes hours of thinking. That speed became my biggest advantage. Then I started turning those ideas into simple digital products. Things like ebooks, templates, checklists, and social media packs. All created using free AI tools. No design skills. No coding. Just structured prompts and simple editing tools. Within a short time, I had multiple products ready. I listed them on free platforms where creators can sell digital products. At first, nothing happened. No sales, no clicks, just silence. And that's the part most people quit at. But instead of stopping, I improved everything using AI again. I rewrote product titles to match what people search for. I optimized descriptions for keywords. I improved thumbnails and presentation. I treated it like a system, not a one-time try. Then something small happened. I got my first sale. It wasn't big, just a few dollars, but it proved something powerful. This actually works. Not because of luck, but because of structure. After that, I scaled everything. Instead of one product, I created many. AI helped me speed up the process massively. What took hours now took minutes. I focused on solving small, specific problems: resume templates, YouTube scripts, content calendars, caption packs, and productivity tools. Then I added traffic. I used free AI tools to create short-form content for TikTok-style videos and social posts. No face, no personal brand needed. Just AI-written scripts and simple visuals. I posted consistently across platforms. Some posts failed completely. Some got a little attention. But a few started bringing daily traffic. And that traffic slowly turned into clicks. Clicks turned into sales. Sales turned into momentum. And momentum turned into my first $1,000. What surprised me most wasn't the money, it was how simple the system really was. AI didn't make me rich, it made me faster, more consistent, and more efficient. That's the real advantage. Most people think you need money to start online. But what you actually need is execution. Free AI tools remove the biggest barrier: time and complexity. If you want to copy this, here's the simple system I used. First, pick a niche with demand. Second, use AI to find real problems people search for. Third, create simple digital solutions. Fourth, package them professionally. Fifth, post consistent content to drive traffic. That's it. But I won't lie, this wasn't instant. I failed many times. Some products got no attention. Some content completely flopped. But every failure gave me feedback, and AI helped me improve faster each time. The real turning point came when I stopped trying to be perfect and started focusing on consistency. I handled the hard work. I just kept improving the system. Now I can take one idea and turn it into a product, a marketing post, and a content strategy within hours, all using free tools. That speed is what creates opportunity. And the truth is, this opportunity is still wide open. Most people know about AI, but very few are actually using it in a structured way to earn money. That gap is where the money is. So if you're thinking you need money to start, this should change your mind. You don't. You need direction, consistency, and action. I made my first $1,000 not because I was lucky, but because I started before I felt ready. And if you take anything from this video, take this. The tools are already free, the opportunity is already here, the only missing piece is you starting. Now if you're still watching this, it means you're serious about making money online using AI. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's possible, even if you start with nothing, just like I did. Everything you saw here was built using only free AI tools. If you want more real step-by-step videos like this, subscribe right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.